Welcome to Pacific Northwest University of Health Sciences, where the journey to becoming a hands-on healer begins. Here, we prepare future osteopathic physicians to serve with skill, compassion, and purpose, so they're ready to heal in the communities that need them most. Our students come from small towns, rural communities, and underserved neighborhoods, bringing with them resilience, empathy, and a calling to make a difference. At PNWU, students find more than a medical education. They find a mission. In our anatomy lab, students engage in the time-honored tradition of human dissection, a profound and respectful experience that deepens their understanding of the human form and the responsibility of care. Beyond the dissection experience, students also explore the human body through advanced 3D visualization and immersive learning tools. This is where knowledge becomes insight, and where future physicians begin to see the human body not just as a system, but as the story of a life. In our osteopathic manipulative medicine lab, students learn to diagnose and treat through touch, the foundation of osteopathic care. Here, classmates become collaborators, and the lab becomes a place of trust, respect, and growth. Through guided peer practice, students develop the sensitivity, confidence, and clinical skills to become true hands-on healers. In today's evolving healthcare landscape, point-of-care ultrasound is transforming how physicians assess and treat patients, especially in rural and resource-limited settings. Ultrasound enables quick diagnosis, where CT or MRI might be hours away or completely unavailable. At PNWU, students gain hands-on experience with this powerful diagnostic tool, learning to make timely, informed decisions when it matters most. Simulation-based training prepares students for the realities of patient care, where every decision matters and every moment counts. From emergency response to complex procedures, students rehearse real-world scenarios in a safe, supportive environment. Standardized patients bring clinical encounters to life, helping students build communication skills, cultural competence, and the confidence to connect with every patient they serve. In our skills lab, students refine essential techniques, from suturing to ultrasound, gaining the hands-on experience they'll need from day one in the clinic. These are the tools of modern medicine, taught with our students' future patients in mind. At PNWU, learning happens everywhere, in labs, in classrooms, and in the connections students build with each other. Students grow not only as doctors, but as leaders, advocates, and lifelong learners. At Pacific Northwest University, we embrace hands-on learning and prepare physicians who are eager to serve rural and underserved communities. This is where your journey begins and where the future of healthcare takes shape. Excellence, integrity, hands-on learning. Pacific Northwest University College of Osteopathic Medicine.